Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I want to tell you, if you loved Gladiator, you're going to love this, because last spring we were driving around looking at the beautiful scenery here in the Val di Chiana, Val d'Orcia area. The Val d'Orcia is really kind of where we were looking. And there was all these crowds and cars and people taking pictures from all over every nationality you could think of were out there. Clickety click, clickety click. And we're like, what the heck's going on? Turns out they were looking for the spaces or the areas where the scenes from Gladiator were shot. And Gladiator is a fantastic movie. Everybody loves it. So many people still remember it even now. And it's, I don't even know how old it is. It's, over 20 years old, I think. Anyway, fantastic film. Now, lucky you, because Pete has created a map of all of the scenes, where the scenes were shot in the Val d'Orcia here, in this whole Siena area. And you can do a little Gladiator pilgrimage if you want and go take pictures, film yourself in the scenes, do all kinds of fun things. It's a really fun map. You can get it by going to our school platform, details below. It's free. The map is free. The joining school community is free. You can interact with people there. It's all very nice. And our courses are over there if you're interested in those. But this map is really cool. I looked at it and it's really, really fun. And if you wanted to take a few days and just go through and do the whole Gladiator pilgrimage, this is the map for you. So there you go, guys. I'll see you on the school community. We're talking about a lot of stuff over there, doing a lot of fun things, and we'll see you over there. Take care.